Good evening, everyone. My name is Cambry, here with Russ Darrow Nissan of Milwaukee, and today I will be talking about fuel grades. When we go to the gas station, we notice there are three types of fuel grades: regular, mid-grade, and premium. What some people don't know is why we have these fuel grades. Most people drive a car that only requires the regular fuel grade. However, you do have engines like a V6 engine in the 2021 Nissan Maxima that require a higher octane fuel, which would be our premium level. If you were to add a lower octane fuel to a high octane engine, what that does is it causes knocking in your engine and can actually cause spontaneous combustion or combustion that occurs too soon. We don't want that. It actually damages your engine and can shorten its lifespan. The question becomes, how do you know which fuel to add to your vehicle? Well, the good news is most vehicles here in America actually run on the regular fuel. But if you're ever unsure, all you have to do is refer to your owner's manual. It should be somewhere in the back, but if not, refer to the index and you should be able to find it. If you have any questions or you want to learn more about fuel grades, please feel free to give us a call here at Russ Darrow Nissan of Milwaukee, and we'd be more than happy to help explain things further.